So the spring forward lost hour not only steals sleep from us, but it also costs the U.S. economy $433 million. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. SleepBetter.org put together a lost hour economic index using peer-reviewed academic journals to come up with the figure. Sleep Better says the number's based on the fact that the lost hour causes workplace sleepiness that leads to accidents, increased cyber loafing, which you might be guilty of as you watch, and finally the fact that the changes in the sleep schedule leads to an increase in heart attacks. The figure isn't without its critics, and that's easy to realize when you think about things like how they quantify lost money to heart attacks. We changed the clocks as an attempt to save energy by aligning our waking hours with the sun being up. But it sounds like all it's really doing is taking our money, giving us bags under our eyes, and oh yeah, heart attacks. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.